Yeah. Good evening, children. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, online children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Okay, so in the last session, we learned the formula to find the area of a quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, height. Okay. So what's the formula to find the area of a trapezium? Half into
A plus B into H.
half into A plus B into H. Half into A plus B into H. So see the question here. The area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. Turn off the fan. The area of a trapezium shaped field. So area of trapezium shaped field is equal to 480. Don't write anything now. 480, correct? So that means half into A plus B into H is equal to 480, correct? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so half into what is given? The distance between the two parallel sides is 15. That is H is 15.
H is
The distance between the two parallel sides is 15. That means H is 15. What are A and B? A and B are the parallel sides. A and B are the parallel sides. And H is the distance between the parallel sides. H is the distance between the parallel sides. So H is 15 because the distance between the parallel sides is 15. And one of the parallel sides is 20. One of them is 20. So supposing A is 20, we don't know B is equal to 480. All right. So let's solve this equation. Half, can you see half into? Okay, we'll transpose once again. We'll just transpose this. So you will have only 20 plus B on this side. When you it's a product, it's half into 20 plus B into 15. So let's transpose 1 by 2. It's a product, no? So you can transpose 1 by 2. It becomes 2 by 1 or simply 2 into 15 becomes 1 by 15. 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1 on the other side. 15 by 1 becomes 1 by 15 here. So 20 plus B is equal to, simplify this, 5 threes are 5, 9 nines are 45, 3, 5, 6 are. And again 3 ones are 3, 32 times. So 32 into 2, 64.
64.
So B is equal to 64 minus B is equal to 44. All right? Yeah. Take down the answer. Yeah, the question is also here. You can also write the formula like this: half H into A plus B. Half H into A plus B is also correct. Yeah, that's why. Yes, yes. This present till here. Got it? Okay. So you can also present the answer like this. So see here, half h into a plus b is also right. Half into a plus b into h, or half h into a plus b. Okay. Half h into a plus b is 480. So half into h is 15 into 20 plus b is equal to 480. So 1 into 15 is 15, no? 1 into 15 is 15. So 15 by 2. 15 by 2. It comes to the other side as 2 by 15. 15 by 2 will come to the other side as 2 by 15. And you can simplify 15 ones are 15 threes are 45. 2 simplify. So 32 into 2 is 64. So 20 plus b is 64. B is 64 minus 20. B is 44. So the length of the other side is, the other parallel side is 44 meters. Okay, next one. Completed online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You don't even know the question. I just switched the slide. No, no, wait. We don't even know the question. The area of a rhombus is 240 centimeters square. And one of the diagonals is 16 centimeters. Find the other diagonal. Okay. See, you need to practice. Then when it's a test, you have to do it by yourself. So wait for the test to happen.
Half into 16 into b.
Correct. Correct. Very good. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, okay. No.
I mean, it's a good so you can move, man.
Okay. Areas given, children. Areas 240. And one diagonal is given. So half into d1 into d2 is equal to 240. That's the equation. Half into d1 into d2 is equal to 240 because the area is equal to 240. D1 is 16. So you'll have to find D2. Huh? Oh no.
13. Yes, ma'am, 15 is to 13.
So please listen. Area of rhombus is equal to 240 centimeters square given. Okay. Area is equal to 240 centimeters square is given to you. Now under this expression area, write the formula. Area is half d1 d2. Half into d1 into d2 is equal to 240 because area is 240, right? So which means half into d1 into d2 is 240. So half into one diagonal is 16. So 16 into d2 is equal to 240. 2 ones are 2 eights are. Right? So 8 d2 is equal to 240. So d2 is equal to 240 by 8. So on cancelling, you get d2 is equal to 30. So the length of the other diagonal is 30 meters. Please take them.
Not correct.
Okay. Oh, centimeters. So. Yeah, okay. Completed? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, see, if you're sure about it, you can start working actually. Yeah. So others listen to me. There's a hexagon MNOPQR. There's a hexagon, so a six-sided polygon MNOPQR. Okay. Of side 5 centimeters. Where is it? Where is it? See here. MNOPQR. This is the hexagon. Okay. Of side 5 centimeters. That means each side is 5. If it's given like this, that means each side is 5. Each side is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. All over it's 5. Each side is 5. Aman, yeah, it's a regular hexagon. Yeah. Aman and Ridhima divided it in 2 different ways. Find the area of this hexagon using both the ways. So the question is to find the area of this hexagon. So 2 friends found the area of the hexagon in 2 different ways. Aman has divided, because see, we do not have a formula to find the area of a hexagon, right? So you have to divide it into quadrilaterals or triangles, because you know how to find the area of a triangle and you also know how to find the area of a quadrilateral. So you have to divide the polygon into triangles or quadrilaterals to find its area. Okay, so Aman, what has he done? He's connected NQ and he's divided the hexagon into 2 trapeziums. Ridhima has connected MO and RP, and she has divided the regular hexagon into 2 triangles and 1 rectangle. So how will Aman find the area of the regular hexagon? He'll find the area of this trapezium, add both, and he'll find the area of the regular hexagon. And Ridhima will find the area of this triangle, will find the area of this rectangle, will find the area of this triangle, add all the 3. Now both Aman and Ridhima should get the same answer. Should and will get the same answer. Right? Okay. So let's discuss the values when it's a trapezium. Okay, please listen. So see this 11 centimeters. What is 11? See, this is 11. This is 11 meaning this is 11. This is 11. See the markings. See here, which is 11. From here, that is from this point to this point is 11. Understand the marking. Okay, see here, from this point to this point. So this is 11. This is 11. All right. Now, which is 8? Which is 8? See, from this point to this point. This is 8. This is 8. This one is 8. So which means this is also 8. This is also 8. So 11 and 8. This is 11. Which is 11? This is 11 means this is 11. Correct? And if this is 8, it means RP is 8 or MO is 8. All right. And 5 is each side of the regular hexagon. Okay. Now, Navneet, tell me the lengths of the path. Okay. Name the parallel sides. Online children, I didn't ask you. I've shared my screen. It's visible, right? Online children.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
audible. Yeah, I'm audible and my screen is visible. Okay. Navneet, name the no, I think all of us should stop writing. Yeah. Name the parallel sides of the trapezium MRQN. MRQN. Yeah. RM and QN are the parallel sides. RM and QN are the parallel sides of this trapezium. Tanvan, which is the other trapezium in this figure? Which are the two trapeziums in this figure? Q, R, M, N, and N, O, P, Q. Okay. Avnish, which are the parallel sides of this trapezium? Q, N, and O, P. All right. Okay. So what is the length of MR? 5. What is MR? MR is the side of the regular hexagon. And it's given in the question that the side is 5 centimeters. Each side is 5. So MR is 5. What about NQ? How much is NQ? 11. Okay. Now, how much is RP? How much is RP? 8. So, what will this? How much will this be? 4. And how much will this be? 4. So you need to first identify the values to be used in the formula. Half into h into a plus b. A is 5, b is 11, and this is h. This is h. From here to here is h of the first trapezium, and from here to here is the h of the second trapezium. But the total thing is 8. So 8 by 2, 4. So h is 4. Into 2 will give you the area of both the trapeziums. Find the area of this trapezium, multiply by 2, you will get the area of both the trapeziums, and that's the area of the regular hexagon. And here, how do you find the area of this triangle? Half base into height. What's the length? What's the length of 8 centimeters? And what's the altitude?
Altitude is
3.5.
not 3.5. 3.
Yeah. Okay. So how much is this length, children? How much is this length? 11. How much is this?
5.
5. Because this is 5. So this is 5. So what is 11 minus 5? 6. 6 by 2. 3. 3. I'll repeat that. See, this length is 11. This one is 11. Because see here, it's given here. This is 11. It's given. Okay. Now this is 5. So which means this is 5. This one is 5. 11 minus 5? 6. That should be divided between this and this altitude equally. So 6 by 2, 3. So the base of the triangle is 8 centimeters and the height is 3. The length of the rectangle is 8 and the breadth is 5. 5. Same for this triangle also, the base is 8 and the height is 3. Yeah, please work. No, you'll get the same answer. No, it's here only, no? No, okay, sorry. Take down the question, children, then I'll present the answer slide. You write the question only till here, okay? In the solution directly, you copy the figures. Don't have to do it so many times. You please write the question only till here. Then I'll present the next slide. 32 is maybe you have one trapezium.
32. Two trapezium. ஒரு trapezium ஒரு trapezium. 16, 16.
Okay. Taken the question, the first two lines? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Where? This is 2 ones are 2 twos are.
One trapezium we have found. One is 32, then the excellent also 16. Both will have the same method, no ma'am. So why repeat it and then?
Yeah, you just can straight away multiply into 2. Yes. You don't have to show the steps. You can just say area of trapezium OP QN is also 32. Without showing the steps, you can directly write the value. Yeah, you don't have to show the steps for the second trapezium. You can just write the value straight away. Or you can show. Yeah, this is Ridhima's method. Completed online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, Navneet? Okay. Yeah, answer this one.
Area of two a plus b into 5 now.
Yeah, do.
Half into 1 plus 1.2 into 0.8. Half plus 2.2 into 0.8. Then 1.2 becomes 0.6. 33.
Yeah. This one is simple, just. Yeah, you can just work the answer, that's all. Calculation only with. Yeah, just write the answer, yeah, because the direct question, area of trapezium is equal to, write the formula.
I don't have to write the question now.
It's very direct, no, so you can just write the formula. Right. Okay, you can complete it. Hasni, what's the formula to find the area of a trapezium?
Half into A plus B into H.
Okay. What's the value of A? What's the value of A?
Ma'am,
B?
1.2.
H?
0.8.
What is 1 plus 1.2?
2.2.
Into 0.8. So 2 ones are 2 1.1 times. 11 eights are 88. And 2 decimal places, 0.88 meters square, correct? Correct? Okay. Are we done? Finished? Yes. To this first. I, huh? 0.88.
Now, do I have to write the question?
Yeah, this one you have to. That was straightforward, so I said. Yes, Sahasra, what's the area of the trapezium given here? What's the area of the trapezium, Sahasra? Akshita? Akshita, what's the area of the trapezium?
Ma'am, 34 centimeters square.
Okay, so half into h into a plus b is equal to 34. Half into what's the value of h? Quick.
Ma'am, 4 centimeter.
into A plus B. What is A?
Mom, 10 plus B, mom.
Is equal to 34. Can I
34.
cancel 2 and 4?
Yes, mom.
Yeah. Then next step. We'll take 2 for
Mom, 2 into HB equals 34, mom.
No, bring the 2 for division. 10 plus B is equal to 34 by 2. Bring this 2 for the division to the other side.
Oh, okay, mom. Then it will be 17, mom.
Yeah. So B is equal to 17.
Minus 10 equals B equals 7, mom.
So therefore, the length of the other parallel side is 7, correct?
Yes, mom.
Correct. Very good. Didn't get the Avnish.
That's a sorry.
Hmm. Hmm. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
This is also a straightforward question.
Yeah, yes, correct. Yeah.
And we can make this. No,
Hmm.
I didn't cancel this 1, 2, and 4. I started and brought it to the
2 by 4.
It was okay.
Oh,
I saw my first time, I never forget it.
no.
And then I did not get the answer. Now my normal question is,
Hmm.
after this,
Yeah, after this year. I lost. Finished?
awesome. Well, but I got 58.
So which one? Okay.
I'm getting copy.
Yeah. Let me read the question. No. Yeah. All right. Look at this question. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field is 120 meters. Length of the fence, meaning perimeter. Length of the fence. Let's say our trapezium shaped field looks like this. The length of the fence. So this one plus this one plus this plus this. This is the length of the fence. The length of the 4 sides. The sum of the length of the 4 sides is 120. Okay. See here, I've called the trapezium. I've called the trapezium ABCD. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meters. If BC is 48, CD is 17, and AD is 40. Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. Side AB, see here, the side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. But how do you know that you should draw the figure like this? So see here. At first, you just draw a trapezium like this. Or I'll tell you something, just draw a rectangle like this, mark it ABCD, but see the parallel sides. Which are the parallel sides? AD and BC. AD and BC are the parallel sides. So AD, AD. Okay. So A, B, C, D. You understand what I did? See, just draw a rectangle. If you mark, say, A here, AD and BC. Normally in our trapezium, okay, let me tell you like this. Mark these two as the parallel sides. Now AD and BC, right? So if you start A here, AD, so this should be D because these two sides are parallel. So AD, so A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. You understand? No? Yeah. I said you mark off the parallel sides first. So this is the rough diagram. Rough diagram. Okay. These are the parallel sides. AD and BC. So A, D. So A, B, C, D. Now BC is 48. BC is 48. CD is 17. AD is 40. And the side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. The side AB, this AB, it's perpendicular to the parallel sides. It's perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. So the figure is like this. So now see here. This is perpendicular. Then 48 should be longer, right? 48 is 48. So this is the trapezium. See, 48 should be longer than 40. So the trapezium is like this. B, I don't know if I'm reaching everybody. Now looking at the dimensions there. Okay, so this is perpendicular. This one is perpendicular. So draw that straight. Then this should be longer. It's a trapezium. So you need to come like this. And this is shorter. Right? So B, A, D, C, parallel sides, 90 degrees because perpendicular, 40 meter, 48 meter. Yeah, CD is 17 meters. Got it? So this is the trapezium. This is how we draw. First, you just draw a rectangle or a square and incorporate all the information given. Then using that, you draw the main figure. Okay, so how do you start? First, perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 120 meters. That means 40 plus 17 plus 48 plus AB is equal to 120. Yeah, solve this and tell me what is AB. Write on the question. Draw the rough diagram as well as the fair diagram. AB is equal to 1 5. Huh?
Yes.
Correct. The question is to find the area of the field. Okay. So area is equal to area of ABCD is equal to half into H, that is AB, into AD plus BC.
1/2 into 15, 40 plus 48.
Correct.
40 plus 15.
Correct. You are completed.
Now the answer is 660.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Done, Harry? Online children? Writing or completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. No, we are not working this. What's the formula?
1/2 into
Half into
base. No,
half into
half into height into it. Half into D into H1
half D into H1 plus H2. Half D into H1 plus H2.
Okay.
Half D into H1 plus H2. Just draw this figure and write the answer. Just draw the figure. Area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral is equal to.
And we don't have to write the question.
No. Just draw the diagram. Okay. Yeah, correct. Correct. How much? 252. Correct.
Square. Oh, you 13 plus 9 is.
Equal to use பண்ணாம you always use that implies symbol, no? How do you find the area?
I'm going to write the question.
Yeah, quickly, just one line, no? Write the question. Oh, yeah,
Writing the 7.5.
I'll show you.
Don't say answer. Hey, don't say. Hey, don't say answer. 45.
Yeah. So the formula to find the area of rhombus.
20 meters.
Area of rhombus is equal to
Half into D1.
half into D1 into D2.
7.5 into 12. I'm 6. 45 centimeters square. That's
Half product of diagonals. Correct?
D1 into D2 by 2.
Both are correct.
Yeah, no, can we write sentence?
Half D1 D2 diagonal.
Yeah, that's all. No,
Correct.
Teachers are correcting. Huh? Teachers are correcting.
Oh,
Confirm.
why A has gone on leave, huh?
Parents. So, I will also match with that. In future, it will come to us.
Okay, children, quiet.
I'm not sir.
No, that's what, I don't have the question, 1 minute.
Get the question.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the next question.
No, altitude and height. So where
Yeah.
into height? Second form.
Yeah.
Answer 24.
No. Hmm.
And 5 into 4.8 much. This into height.
So we have two formulae, no, to find the area of a rhombus. One is base into height. The other one is half into D1 into D2. We have two formulae. One is base into height, the other is half D1 into D2. So how will you find the area of the rhombus? Area of rhombus is equal to base into height. Base into height. Side is the base. The side of the rhombus is the base of the rhombus. Okay, so side is 5. That means the base is 5. So 5 into 8. I have the answer on the next slide. So first it is area is base into height, so 5 into 4.8. Okay. Centimeter square.
Centimeter square.
This is the area. Now half D1 D2 is equal to 24. Why? Why half D1 D2 is 24?
Because
This is the other formula to find the area. So half D1 D2 should also give you the same answer 24. This is the same rhombus. We found its area already using the formula base into height. We got 24. The same answer you should get when you use half D1 D2, right? So half D1 D2 also should give the same answer 24. Half into D1 is 8 into D2 is equal to 24. So 2 ones are 2 fours are D2 is equal to 24 by 4, which is 6.
centimeter. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Six plus 1. No, that is not.
So first you should find the area using base into height.
7.
Then you should equate half D1 D2 to that answer 24 to find the length of the other diagonal. Online children? Okay. Now this is the next one. Try this yourself.
Question me out.
Yeah.
Awesome. Anybody who that answer, please. This was maybe because I want to still also the election. We will say,
Srijit, you're logged in from 2 different devices, right?
answer 81 lakh. Yeah.
81 lakh.
What? 805 rupees.
Okay. All of you, please listen. The floor of a building consists of 3,000 tiles, which are rhombus shaped. Each tile is in the shape of a rhombus, and the floor is made up of 3,000 tiles. Each of its diagonals are 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is ₹4. Okay. Now, to convert meter to centimeter, what do? You need to multiply by 100. To convert meter square to centimeter square, you need to do that action 2 times. That means into 100, which means into 10,000. Do we know the metric chart? Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. To convert centimeter to meter. Okay, so it is 100. 100 is the number. Centimeter to meter. 100. 100 is the number. If you're converting centimeter to meter, small to big, should divide by 100. If you're converting meter to centimeter, big to small, because meter is a bigger unit, right? So if you're converting meter to centimeter, you should multiply by 100. The number is 100. The number is 100. Small to big, divide by 100. Big to small, multiply by 100. Smaller unit to a larger unit. Small to big, you should divide. Big to small, you should multiply. Okay. To convert now, so if supposing you have 5 meters square and you have to convert that to centimeter square. How do you convert meter to centimeter? meter to centimeter, you multiply by 100. So meter square to centimeter square, multiply by 100 2 times. So this is the answer. 5 meter cubed is equal to dash centimeter cubed. To convert meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. So 2 zeros. Meter to centimeter, we multiply by 100. Meter cube to centimeter cube. Do the 3 times. So now supposing we have say 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter square. You need to convert this to meter square. How do you convert centimeter to meter? You divide by 100. Centimeter to meter, you divide by 100. Centimeter square to meter square. If you do that 2 times, divide by 100 2 times. So when you divide it, centimeter to meter, you divide by 100. Centimeter square to meter square. Do that 2 times. Divide by 100. Whatever you do it 2 times. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is 70 meters square. It's 70 meters square. All of you just listen. So area of one tile is half D1 D2, half into 45 into 30, 675 centimeters square. Area of 3000 tiles is 3000 into 675, which is so many centimeters square. Convert that to meter square. Convert centimeter square to meter square. How do you convert centimeter square to meter square? Divide by 100 2 times, because centimeter to meter divide by 100. Centimeter square to meter square, do the same thing 2 times. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. 2025 by 10. 2025 by 10 is 202.5. Cancel the zeros. 3 zeros and 3 zeros in the numerator and denominator they get cancelled. And then you have 2025 by 10, which is 202.5 meters square. So the area of the floor is 202.5 meters square. Now multiply that with 4 to find the total cost, because 1 meter square is 4 rupees. 1 meter square. So what's the area of the floor? 202.5 meters square. This area is in centimeter square. This is in centimeter square. It's like I'm telling you, 1 kilogram of apples is rupees 50. Okay. And you want to buy, say, some 250 grams. You are multiplying 250 by 50. 1 kilogram is 50 rupees. So 1 kilogram is 250. Sorry, 1 kilogram is 50 rupees. 250 grams, they're different units, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 250 grams means what? 1/4 of a kilogram. 1 minute, let me take, I'll just give you a different number. See, like 1 kg is rupees 50. Supposing you want to find for 3000 grams. You can't multiply 3050, right? So what is 3000 grams? It's 3 kilograms. The units must be the same. So 3000 grams is 3 kilograms. So 1 kg 50 rupees. 3 kilograms will be 3 into 50, 150.
150.
In the same way here, what is given? For 1 meter square, it is 4 rupees. The cost of polishing is 4 rupees for 1 meter square. But here the answer is in centimeter square. How can you multiply this with 4? This is in centimeter square. But here it's given for 1 meter square 4 rupees. This is centimeter square. So you should convert this to meter square. When you convert it to meter square, now see 1 meter square 4 rupees. 202.5 meter square, how many rupees? If you should take down the 2 methods you see here. The other way of doing it is, you can stop writing. You can directly convert these values to meter first, because the rate is given per meter square, right? 1 meter square is 4 rupees. So what you can also do is, see, The first method is you find the area in centimeter square and convert that to meter square. The second method is you have the diagonals in centimeter, right? So convert the diagonals to meters and then find the area. So that area will directly be in meter square. So how do you convert 45 centimeters to meter? 45 by 100. Then 30 centimeters, 30 by 100. So find D1 and D2 in meters. Then you will get the area directly in meters. Sorry, in meter square. Multiply by 3000 to get the area of 3000 tiles in meter square. And then area into rate will give you the total cost. Write down. I'll give you 10 minutes for this, please.
And this both methods.
Both the methods.
Okay. How much sunlight? Is it for 2D shapes like triangular, rectangular, like so 3D shapes? We said in the 2D shape of triangle, rectangle. How do we say it for 3D?
No, I didn't get your question.
Really, we tell triangular instead of pyramid, we can say triangular. No, for 3D cube, are there these types of names? Euler, triangular, sphere.
Now, rhombus is not 3D.
Yeah,
Rhombus is plain figure.
that's what the wrong 3D shape name. Is there a 3D shape on rhombus?
Oh, yeah, it's a prism, no?
Prism.
Prism, yes.
Yeah, that's what I am. Completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Both the methods?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood both the methods?
Yes, ma'am. That they have converted in the area of 3,000 tiles, they have converted into meter.
Meter square.
Now they square in the alternate method they converted first they converted it into meter and they have multiplied. They got the centimeter value and then the meter. Then they converted it into meter. And then they didn't even teach this at all what in school.
Conversion, huh?
No, ma'am. Already teach.
Oh, that's very
Simple problems. Then it's very simple. Better we know hardly with the not teach. Yeah. Okay, yeah. We stand.
completed, Haran.
That's why all we get less mark.
Online children completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now just do this conversion for me.
What does mean by D? Decimeter. Decimeter. Decimeter.
No jokes, yeah. Tell me the answer.
And 5 meter. Meter.
So the metric chart is like this, right? In the ascending order, millimeter, centimeter. No, see, you're not taking it seriously. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Now, decameter, decimeter, decameter, decimeter. Oh, sorry. Let's see here, decimeter, decameter. So 100. The number is 100.
Too small.
The number is 100. Yeah. And is it big to small or small to big?
Big
To small. Decameter is big to small. So is it multiplication or division? It's multiplication. I did not say anything. I didn't hear the answer from your talk. So to convert decameter to decimeter, you multiply by 100. To convert decameter to decimeter, you multiply by 100. To convert decameter square to decimeter square, you need to multiply by 100 two times. To convert decameter cubed to decimeter cubed,
3 times.
you need to multiply by 100 three times. Whatever action you do, whatever action you have to do, you should do that 3 times.
And 50 lakh.
This is the metric chart of length. Okay. And this is how you identify the number. Okay. Which should be used for multiplication or division. Then if it is big to small, it's multiplication. If it is small to big, it's division. For this only once, for this 2 times, for this 3 times. So 5 decameter cubed is equal to 5 into 100 into 100 into 100 decimeter cube.
Decimeter cube.
5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 decimeter cube. Take down this. Take down this. All that you see on the screen, right? Everything you see on the screen.
Everything.
Yes, everything. Yeah, next convert this. Yeah, tell me the answer. Don't tell me the answer. Don't tell the answer.
The answer 0.0001453. Ma'am, 1.4523 hectometer square. Hectometer square, no. 1.4523 hectometer square.
Okay. So what's the number? Centimeter, hectometer. Centimeter, hectometer. What's the number? 10000. Right? Yeah. And you need to convert centimeter square to hectometer square. Centimeter to hectometer. It is small to big. Small to big. Centimeter to hectometer is small to big. So we should divide. Should divide. So 14523. You divide by 1 followed by 4 zeros. If it is centimeter to hectometer, it is centimeter square to hectometer square. So another 4 zeros you should put. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 point. Yeah, I think you are right. How many zeros? 0 point. Correct.
Zeros.
Correct. Navneet was right. 0.3 zeros, 14523.
453.
Very good, Navneet.
Ma'am, another question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, talent question. Always a
Conversion.
talent question.
Conversion is very important.
They didn't even teach anything from this. Conversion. Ma'am, today what we learned, they didn't teach anything. Any water I'm going to show the formula and they'll tell us, they'll tell us everything. There are
Okay. Yeah, the third one. Yes, finish this.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Third one. So what's the number for millimeter to meter? Millimeter to meter, what's the number? 1 followed by 1, 2, 3
Ma'am,
zeros.
3 zeros.
Is it small to big or big to small?
Small to big.
Small to big.
Division.
Division. So it is 5 divided by 1, 2, 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3?
Ma'am, 0.50. 5.
How many times? Divide by 1000. How many times?
100. And 3 4,000.
9. 1 followed by 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is 0.12121212 meter cube.
0.9.
Yeah.
0.
See, the steps are like this: millimeter to meter. The number is 1000. That's the first step. Millimeter to meter, small to big, division. And if it is millimeter to meter, divide by 1000. Millimeter square to meter square, you should divide by 1000 2 times. So it will be 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 6 zeros. Millimeter cube to meter cube, you should do the same action 3 times. So you'll get 3, 3, 3, 9 zeros. So it is 5 divided by 1 followed by 9 zeros. Then place a decimal point. Okay, so this is how we convert. Yeah, look at this question. Jacob had a square sheet of paper with sides of length 30 centimeters. He cut out a flower made up of a square and 4 semicircles as shown on the figure. How much paper did he use for the flower cut off? How much paper was left? Right. Okay. So what are the dimensions of the, oh, it's a square sheet. What is the side of the square sheet he has? 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. 30 by 30. So 30 into 30, 900 centimeters square is the area of the paper Jacob has. Right? You need to find now from this, he's cutting this flower-like design. Okay. He has a square piece of paper of side 30 centimeters. From that, he's cutting a flower-like design like this. Okay, you should find how much paper is used to make this flower-like design. And also the amount of paper left. That is the area of the square minus the area of the design. First, you must find the area of the design. Then you must find the area of the paper left, which is the area of the square minus the area of the design. Correct? What does Jacob have? He has a square piece of paper of side 30 centimeters. What does he do with it? He cuts a flower-like design as shown here. Okay. What should you find? What are the two questions? What should you find? What is the area of this flower?
How much paper?
Yeah, what is the area of this flower? Flower-like design.
One curve is.
And then how much
Yeah.
paper is left? Okay.
28. 32. 3.3.
Yeah.
Correct. 44. 44. 11 plus 11 into 4. 11 into 4 தான் 7 into 4, 45. 8.5. So 900 minus 476.
What is the area of one semicircle? Half. Area of one semicircle. Half into pi r square.
Into pi r square.
4 semicircles, 4 into half into pi r square. Area of one semicircle is half into pi r square. Area of one semicircle is half into pi r square. 4 semicircles, 4 into half into pi r square. What is R? 7 by 2. Take the 7 by 2. Because diameter is, this is diameter. Diameter is 7. The side of the square is the diameter of the semicircle. Diameter is 7. So the radius will be 7 by 2. What's the answer? Correct? Finished?
Yeah.
Completed? It's 5 minutes past. Stop it, stop it.
Ma'am, where I'm only happy to talk with Abhinavan sir.
Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do this one. One minute. One minute. Yeah, do this one.
Coming along, you can have remember.
Huh?
And it's something
Mm.
Ma'am, do we have to write the question?
Yeah, yeah.
What a sequence means.
Yeah, it's kind of, I'm showing you the image now. Because we call it chunky. Chunky. We used to use all this for project work. You see it on dresses, no? Chunky.
Ma'am, that shining thing.
Ah,
Okay. Chunky. Okay, ma'am. I'm already thought this.
these are
Ma'am, that gulab.
sequence.
Yes, the video. Yes. What, bro? Yeah.
Ben is pasting sequence on a quadrilateral shaped board. If 8 sequence cover 1 centimeter square, how many sequence does Ben need in total to cover the board? All of you can, look at the image of a sequin on Google. See, they're called chunkies, the glitters.
Yeah, ma'am.
You can find it on dresses also. Girls' dresses, chudidars, the chunky work.
Ma'am, I saw.
They are sequins. So how do we find the area of this board? I'll tell you one thing, or if you do it independently. Yeah, how do you find the area?
But I don't know what square is. 55. Right, 55.
You take this as 12 and finish it. Take this one as 12 and take this whole thing as 16. The whole thing only is 16. The whole thing is 16. This is 12. CE is 12. Take CE as 12. So the formula is half D into H1 plus H2. The diagonal is BD and CE and AB are the perpendiculars on the diagonal. Half D into H1 plus H2. BD is a diagonal. And H1 and CE and AB are the altitudes on the diagonal. We have learned the formula like this, right? To find the area for quadrilateral. Half D into H1 plus H2. Yes or no? Yeah, so BD is the diagonal. And CE and AB are the altitudes on the diagonal. Half into diagonal BD into altitude CE plus altitude AB. Half into 16 into 12 plus 7.5.
And 1.60 not that. 150. 150. This one 156. 156 centimeters square.
Eight into 156 centimeters square. Correct. For 1 centimeter square, pen needs 8 sequence. So for 156 centimeter square, it will be 156 into 8. For 1 centimeter square, 8 sequence.
From 1248.
Yeah.
1248 equal. Completed now.
Ah.
What is equal?
Chunky.
Oh.
What?
That mirror that
Yeah.
small.
Yeah.
Excellent. Maths here also. Everywhere. Find area of chunky. Yes, completed.